Hey everyone, today we're talking about ghost mode on Snapchat. If you've been hiding your location and want to turn it off, I'll show you how. Let's get started. First, open up Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. Now go to the Snap Map. Tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the Snap Map. You'll see the location sharing settings. Look for the ghost mode at the top. If it's toggled on, tap the toggle to turn it off. Now you can choose who can see your location. My friends except, or only these friends. Choose the option that works best for you. And that's it, your location is now visible on the Snap Map. Please note that Snapchat's app interference can change frequently, and some features might vary depending on your device and the app version you're using. See, turning off ghost mode is super simple. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.